Okay, so for this question, we're going to use substitution, and your substitution earlier on was excellent, so let's go through this. So we've got u equals 2x, take 1. So if u equals 2x, take 1, then we know that du by dx equals 2, or du equals 2 dx. The problem is, looking at this already, if I substitute in here du for 2 dx, I've still got that x in the top. So I'm going to rearrange this one. I'm going to say that 2x equals u plus 1. And now I can look ahead and think that 2 times 2x gives me the 4x. Okay, don't forget we also want to consider our limits. So when x equals 5, so 5 times 2, take 1 is 9. And when x equals a half, or 0.5, u equals 0. Okay, so let's start putting this into our integral. We've got 9, we've got 0. The 4x is being replaced with a 2 and the u plus 1, so that's u plus 1 over the square root of u, du. Okay, well, you've got a couple of ways of approaching this. We can just do a simple division, so it's between 9 and 0. U over u to the half is u to the half, and then 1 over u to the half is u to the negative a half, du. And then we go along and we do our integration. So increase the power by 1 and we get 3 over 2. So that's 2/3 u to the 3 over 2. Increase and we get a half. So that's 2 u to the half. Oh, sorry, no du. Between 9 and 0. Okay, so I'm just going to rewrite this nicely, which is 2/3 the square root of u and then cubed. And the reason I'm doing it in that order is because sometimes it's easier to square root and get a smaller number and then make it large. But I forgot this is a calculus student paper, so actually there's absolutely no reason to not just be able to jump straight ahead to the answer and get 24. If you need to show the working, you can show the intermediate steps. Let me just put it in there. So that's 2/3 of the square root of 9 is 3, cubed is 27, plus 2 times the square root of 9. Take away nothing. I always like it when you see a 0 there, and that equals 24. That saves you a lot of hassle. Okay, so hopefully that was a nice straightforward substitution, worked out very easily. I think a lovely 8 marks.